Hello everyone, this is Deepashri. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm studying in SVCE doing my first years in the branch of Artificial Intelligence. So today I'm here to give you another presentation in the subject Civil. So my topic for today is centroid. To locate a centroid on asymmetrical plane. So let's get into the topic. So my question is, locate the centroid of the given figure. So you can see the figure here. So let us see the steps. Before that, let us learn what the picture is. Let me give you the view on this figure. So first, we should know if the figure is asymmetric or symmetric. So by looking at the figure, we can come to know that it's an asymmetric figure. Then we should try to put an x-axis and y-axis for the figure. Then we should cut the figure into the components it can make. Then we are going to do a table for that and we are concluding with a solution. So let's get into the problem. As I said, the step 1 is locating x-axis and y-axis. So as you can see in the picture, I have located the x-axis and the y-axis. This is also known horizontal axis and vertical axis. So let's get into the step 2. Locating centroid of each component. So the first component I have divided the picture is for rectangle. You can see the rectangle here. I have given it an x-axis and y-axis. And for the x-axis I have taken d by 2, that is depth by 2. And for the y-axis I have taken b by 2, that is breadth by 2. So our first component is rectangle. Now let's locate the second component of our figure. The second component of our figure is quadrant, in which for the x-axis I have given 4r by 3 pi and even for the y-axis I have given it 4r by 3 pi. Now let's see the third figure. The third figure is triangle. So in triangle, for the x-axis I have given it 2b by 3, that is 2 into base by 3. And for the y-axis I have given it 2h by 3, that is 2 into height by 3. Now our last component is again a triangle. So in a triangle, for the x-axis I have given it b by 3, that is breadth by 3, and for the y-axis I have given it h by 3, and that is height by 3. So now let's look at the table right now. In table we have 6 columns. Those are components, area, centroidal distance from x-axis, and moment of area about x-axis, centroidal distance from y, moment of area about y. Now in this, the first component is rectangle. In rectangle, to know the area, we are multiplying b into d, that is 18 into 22, we get 396. Now let's look at our second quadrant. So here we have taken pi r square by 4. And you can observe here I have put a minus because I am subtracting this thing from our components. So here let's take pi value as 3.14 and r value as 10 divided by 4. That is, we get minus 78.54. Then our third component is triangle. We have taken half into base into height. So here also I have used minus. So I have taken minus half into 9 into 12. This gives you minus 54. And for fourth component, again that is triangle, I have taken half into base into height. That is half into 12 into 22. That gives you 132. And the area which we have given, which we have found now, that is summation of A. If we add all the 4 components area, we get the summation of A, and that is 395.46. Now let's find the centroidal distance from x-axis y, that is mm. Distance by 2 is for the rectangle, that is 22 by 2, and the answer is 11. Now for the quadrant, it is 4r by 3 pi, that is 4 into 10 divided by 3 into 3.14. That gives you 4.24. Our third component is triangle, and here we take 10 plus 2 divided by 3 into h, that is 10 plus 2 divided by 3 into 12. Those gives you 18. Now for the next triangle, we are going to take it h by 3, that is 22 by 3, and we get 7.33 as the answer. Now to calculate the moment of area about x-axis, that is we should multiply a and y. That is, for the rectangle it is 396 into 11, that gives you 4356, and for the quadrant it is minus 78.54 into 4 into 4.24, that gives you minus 333. And for the next triangle, it is minus 54 into 18. That gives you minus 972. And last one, that is also a triangle, that is 132 into 7.33 will give you 967.56. So the summation of AY will be given here by adding all those four quadrants answer, that will be 4018.56, that is 4018.56. Next, to calculate the centroidal distance from y-axis, for the first one, rectangle will be 12 plus b by 2, that is 12 plus 18 divided by 2, we get 21. And for the second quadrant, it is 12 plus 8 plus 10 minus 4r by 3 pi. That is 30 minus 4r by 3 pi will give you 25.75. For the triangle, we should take 12.9 plus 2 divided by 3b. That is 12 plus 9 plus 2 divided by 3 into 9. That gives you 27. And for the last triangle, it is 2 divided by 3 into b. That is 2 by 3 into 12 gives you 8. So last but not the least, moment of area about y-axis, that is a into x, that is 396 into 21 will give you 8316 for the for the rectangle. For the quadrant, it is minus 78.54 into 25.75, that is minus 2022.41. And for the triangle, it is minus 54 into 27, that gives you minus 1458. And for the last triangle, it is 132 into 8, that gives you 1056. And the summation of AX, as usual, by adding all those things, you will get 5891.59. So this is where we complete our next table. So let's find the values now. To find the values, so first, it depends on what values you want to find. If you want to find the value of x bar, then you should know that you should divide summation of ax by summation of ay, in which you get the x bar has 14.89 mm, and for the y bar you should divide summation of ay divided by summation of a, where you get y bar as 10.16. I hope you have understood the problem now. So thank you. Please like and view my channel.